This video is for you if you're seeking peace in your life, if you want to cultivate a stronger mindset and you're prepared to support your family. Family time is so precious. Are you prepared to put in the time to nurture and educate your children? This is the foundation that they need. And then to extend that to your elderly parents, your grandparents and your great-grandparents. Be there for them. There are some statistics I want to share with you on loneliness amongst the elderly. There is a significant number, over 2 million people in England over the age of 75 live alone. And this can contribute to chronic loneliness. More than 1 million older people in England say they go over a month without speaking to a friend, a neighbour, or their very own family members. This should not be happening to your family. Go and visit them. Do it today, do it this week, do it this month, but go and visit your family, your elderly family. The report goes on to say, while often perceived as an older person issue, studies sometimes show younger adults also suffer high levels of loneliness. So it's so important, if you have any friends that are working from home or caring for young children, they may also be experiencing these pangs of loneliness. Please, remember your friends, remember your family. It's so important. This is what etiquette in the community is all about. Bringing these important issues, these social issues to your attention. Now, I've mentioned England, but I'm going to go on to let you know that the statistics are also relevant on a global scale. So it said approximately 3 in 10 older adults aged 60 and over are lonely worldwide. And you're willing to share your time and wealth with your community. This is a journey you are prepared to go on. Keep watching. If you'd like to see how you can find the time to fit this into your life journey, keep watching. I'll be absolutely delighted to have you join me to find out more. Welcome back to my channel. I have an incredible video for you. If the relentless pace of the rat race feels overwhelming, or you're caught in the endless spin of the hamster wheel where your precious time seems to be constantly swallowed up, I'd like to invite you to step away, timeless and relevant throughout this season. So you'll see my 10-year journey of walking meditations I've captured here on YouTube. Enjoy the video. Also, before I forget, I'd just like to say a huge thank you for all the support you have given me with the new videos, the new spring editions that have been launched, and the introduction of my Lady Etiquette A, Lady Etiquette B, and Lady Etiquette C. They will be developed throughout the season for you to relate to one of the ladies and help you on your journey. Once again, thank you, and the video will definitely start now. In today's video, you're going to get my best tips for a healthier mindset and to gain a happier, peaceful life. There is something so captivating about the seasons. There's clear evidence that spring is definitely on its way. If you found autumn and especially winter incredibly tough, and you're ready to spring clean your mindset and your manners, this video is for you. Keep watching to the end. You can't imagine feeling sad or down or having a low mood in such a beautiful place. If you find the idea of meditation daunting, having to completely empty your mind and banish every thought, if you've actually tried to do that, you'll know it's really difficult. If you're like me and find it incredibly difficult to empty your mind in that way because your life is busy and packed filled with different activities that you're doing, then you will find it challenging. If the idea of sitting down, meditating on your own or in a group filled with people meditating fills you with dread, well, why not consider something that I've been doing to actually help me to focus my mind? I've been incorporating walking meditation. Is this something that can work for you in your circumstances? So it involves bringing the mind and attention to the act of walking itself. So comment down below. I'd love to know, what was your favourite tartan, colour or tweed that you wore this autumn winter? So rather than focusing on stillness, you focus on the sensation of movement, the feeling of your feet on the ground, the shifting of your weight. The rhythm of your steps. So it's about being present with each step and observing your thoughts, feelings without judgment. So look, the key differences. So movement versus stillness. In seated meditation emphasizes the stillness. While walking meditation emphasizes the movement. And then you're going to have a focused attention. So in walking meditation, your attention is directed towards the physical sensation of walking, as well as your surrounding environment. Now, the benefits of it Walking meditation can be especially helpful for people who find it difficult to sit still for extended periods. Or I will also say it's beneficial for people who do sit still for extended periods. So if we're video editing, working on copywriting, all things that we may be doing for an extended period sitting down, this is a good way to combine the benefits of physical activity with the mental clarity of meditation. It also allows you to connect with nature and your surroundings in a mindful way. One of the benefits from your walking meditation and connecting with your surrounding is that you will meet new people and take this opportunity to get to know more about others, to see how they connect with nature. If you are new here on my channel is not about being perfect. You will make mistakes, but it's how we recover from them, how we move forward after them.
Everyone, I've just met Cassandra and look at her beautiful autumn outfit, stunning.
Thank you. Yeah, so basically what we've discussed, I've just figured out.
Am I doing it the right way?
Yeah, because I'm not. Yeah.
Encouraging to hear that Cassandra has seen the changes, and we're very encouraged to share that with you. So thank you. Cassandra's enjoying an autumn walk with her beautiful daughter. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Bye-bye.
Let's put an action plan together for you. Week 1, you're going to practice your breathing skills. Breathe in. Yes, I know it is a bit strange at first, but trust me, it will get easier. So let's try again. You're going to breathe in, and then you're going to breathe out. Let go of your stress and anxiety and make room for peace, tranquility, and good health, wealth, and happiness to flow your way. So this is the way you're going to spring clean your mind and your mindset, and it can be easily integrated in your daily routine. Walking meditation isn't just another activity you've got to fit into your already busy day. You'll be able to seamlessly weave walking into your existing routine. So when you're walking to a meeting, or perhaps you're walking to go and do the weekly shop, anything that you do on a regular basis, then that's when you can actually fit in your walking meditation. Think about those moments when you're walking to the meeting and on your way back. Often when you're going to the meeting, your mind's already racing, rehearsing what you're going to say. That's also jumping into your head. This is precisely where walking meditation can be so powerful. It transforms those thoughts into total clutter and gives you time to be intentional with your thoughts. and you feel there's a big black cloud is hanging over your head because of the pressures and the worries that you're facing. But when that happens, what I'd like you to do is visualize being in this beautiful setting, this beautiful location, and go for your walking meditation. This visualization to help lift that feeling and to focus on what it is you need to do at this present time, and then declutter your mind, spring it of all the negative thoughts. Now this might be something you'll struggle to do at first on your own. If you'd like some support, I'm here to help you. I have teamed with trained professionals and put together a course to help with your mental health. We can go through the steps, and then if you require further support one-on-one with a therapist, this course will equip you with the right questions to ask so that you can concentrate and work on the areas that you need to work on to get the best from your course with the therapist. So if you need that help, I'll leave the link down below. We can work and go through it and show you what I did to help me in times when I needed to focus and declutter everything so that I can focus on the things that matter to me. I'd like to help you if that's where you would like to improve your life too this spring. And also, I work together with my journal, so if you don't journal at the moment or you don't have a planner, remember my video, if you fail to plan, plan to fail. So let's plan for a good spring and plan your walking meditation so that you can get some clarity, you can start to focus, you can have more good days than bad days, because you'll still have bad days, but they won't last as long and they won't feel as bad because you'll have more confidence in the things that you're doing. You'll see more success happen in your life and have confidence in who you are. Practicing the art of walking meditation just takes patience. It's not an overnight process, but it will help you to get away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life when you need to. It's a powerful tool to equip you to do your best work.